if you're looking for the best upright vacuums, you have to see this video. So, let's get started this video. Number 5. Shark Navigator Powered Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. A Target exclusive, the Shark Navigator Powered Lift-Away NV586 has a 26-foot cord and weighs about 16 pounds. It receives an excellent rating in our pet hair and bare floors tests, though it doesn't fare as well on carpet. Our testers find that this vacuum handles well, but it's noisier than other upright vacuums. Equipped with advanced swivel steering and powerful LED headlights, this vacuum has a completely sealed system with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens. In our member survey, Shark earned very good marks for both predicted reliability and excellent for owner satisfaction. Number 4. Kenmore Floor Care Upright Bagged Vacuum. The Kenmore pet-friendly 31140 will serve you well. It earns excellent ratings on the bare floor test. It also does a fine job cleaning carpet. Suction through the hose is impressive, so if you use your attachments to clean curtains or upholstery, you won't be disappointed. Emissions are clean, meaning this bagged vacuum will retain what it sucks up. It comes with a HEPA filter, which is designed to capture more dirt particles, and a light that indicates when the bag is full so that you know when it's time to change it. 2 pluses if you're sensitive to dust. Number 3. Hoover Wind Tunnel Max Bagged Upright Vacuum. This sturdy upright excels at cleaning both bare floors and pet hair, earning an excellent rating on both of those tests. It does almost as well on carpet, so if you have mixed floors, it could be a good choice for your cleaning collection. Features 7 floor height adjustment settings so that you can move between hard floors and deep carpets with ease. Airflow gets above average marks, and its emissions are fairly clean. The brand earned a middle-of-the-road rating for predicted reliability but only a fair score for owner satisfaction. Number 2. Shark AZ 2002 Upright Vacuum. The 17-pound bagless Shark Vertex Duo Clean has plenty of bells and whistles. Testers like the Duo Brush Roll, which is great for both carpet and bare floors. The vacuum also picks up pet hair especially well, earning an excellent rating on that test. The Vertex is an ultra-powerful vacuum, with incredible suction and innovative cleaning technologies. It has exceptional suction power and does a solid job containing small dust particles in the dustbin. The lift-away canister makes it easy to clean out-of-the-way places. Number 1. Dyson Upright Vacuum. The 17-pound Dyson Ball Animal 2 has impressive results in CR's lab tests for carpet cleaning. It aces our bare floor and pet hair tests, too. Emissions are clean, so this vacuum won't spew debris back into the room, although emptying the bin can stir up some dust. Whole machine filtration ensures that allergens are trapped inside the machine, not expelled back into the home. It comes with attachments that help you get into tight spaces. In our brand reliability survey, Dyson uprights earn middle-of-the-road scores for predicted reliability and owner satisfaction.